Gibson? Do you want to film for a sec?
Song and put it up on YouTube today.
Yeah, it's an original?
No. Early morning. I'm doing other people's songs because I don't do my own because they're not listening anyway.
Yeah. Well, so what song is this?
Early Morning Rain. Okay, it's recording
now. Do you want to film for a sec? So what song are you doing?
Early Morning Rain. It's in two of these songs are in my play. I did Rocky Top last week. In this play I wrote, and Early Morning Rain's in front of the old Fisher Grape House, but I was gonna, my version of it's by Gordon Lightfoot, Early Morning Rain. With a dollar in my hand, with my pockets full of sand, and an aching in my heart. I'm a long ways from home, and I miss my true love so. On an early morning rain, with no place to go, I'm on runway number 9, 707 set to go. I'm stuck here in the grass with the pain that ever grows. Not a liquor tasted good, and the women were all fast. And there she goes, my friend, she'll be rolling home at last. Sort of about a man living like an ape. That's why I used to sing into the ape house in the play. The actor's in front of the ape house singing it, and an old man comes out and throws $30 down. Says, "Hey, Elvis Presley!" Hear the mighty engines roar, we sail the silver wings on high, to be waving westward bound. Above the clouds you ride, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines, to be waving over my home in about 3 hours time. But this old airport's got me down, it's no earthly good to me. I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I could be. You can't hop a jet plane like you would a freight train, so I must be on my way in the early morning rain. I'll text on the thing. Sail.
Big sale today. Yeah, right. No returns. New refunds.
You got my business card.